Astra Lumina is an enchanted night walk that will take place in Anakeesta in the Smoky Mountains. It's an experience where the people will discover a world where there's projection, music, light that comes together and engage you into a story world. The simple way to tell the story is, what if the stars could reach us? The stars that comes on our planet regenerate, and at the end of the night, they go back in the sky. And with Anakeesta, we design a very unique path through the hills. Astra Lumina is an invitation to connect with nature.